Eto na guys, good morning sa inyo. Road trip muna tayo. Patungong Paraparaumu. Kasama namin ang aming buddy, si Miss Serena. Serena Nissan.
Please join us whenever you like. If you get the urge to do so, you can call us 0800 80 10 80 is our phone number. Text messages into 9292. Emails to jason@newstalksfb.co.nz. Just gone 10 past 12.
Breaking down the Hail Marys and the epic fails. Weekend Sport with Jason Pine. Newstalk.
Madilim ang salamin dito sa unahan ng ni Serena. Maano siya, may mga spot ng tubig. Ito guys, daan to papunta ng Porirua. Daming yung parang kugon. Lumulundag-lundag. Nagpa-bounce ang sasakyan, may lubak na kalsada. Dito kasi guys, hindi naman konkreto yung kalsada dito. Ito ay asfalto. Hindi kagaya sa Pinas na puro semento. Dito naman asfalto lang. Bihira dito. Wala ba ditong nakasementong kalsada? Asfalto talaga sa kanila. Asfalto. Itong dinadaanan namin guys, mga mga farm ng mga tupa, sheep. Bihira lang yung dito, kabayo. May baka rin ako nakikita, pero bihira yung baka dito, puro tupa. Ang farm dito ng baka sa North Island, North Island saka South, meron din dito. Pero karamihan dito puro tupa.
Itong Europeo, yung dami dyan.
Sa ibang lugar. Dito kasi sa dinadaanan namin, ang nakikita ko puro lang tupa. Kalsada dito, nagwa-widen sila. Ang tagal na nito 2021 pa yata to, nakita ko na dito, kahabaan ng kalsadang to, pinapalawak nila inaayos.
CEO Jack Measley working on a strategy for next year and beyond. That'll be something we're really targeting as well. Would you like to see more afternoon kickoffs and Super Rugby?
Dito kami guys na disgrasya ng motor, yung motor namin. Dito. Yan o, sa gitna na yan. Yan guys, sa gitna na yan. Yan kami sumimplang. Dumulas yung gulong ng aming motor. Kaya nagkaano.
Again, are probably all opportunities for improvement. So definitely it's in the mix. Planning to think about seeing some wonderful scenes.
Saan ba tayo duman? Hindi papuntang Purehoa? Saan to? Papunta saan? Palmerston? Para Omo?
Work through to make sure everyone sees success in whatever the next iteration of the competition is.
So the shape will change next year. The Rebels, of course, are gone as soon as they're knocked out, which could mean
Eto na guys. Nasa highway na kami. Papuntang para Omo.
A little bit of work went into that on Friday. There's more work the team's gone away to look at the different
Hindi ko na ikakat guys ang ano ko, ang road trip video ko.
next year. So we're probably another 4 to 6 weeks away from really banding that. But lots of good work going into it.
Huwag tayo dadaan sa Paika Kakarikias, dun sa dinaanan natin, sa baba lang tayo. Ayaw ko doon, nakakatakot. Medyo madilim guys ang ano, ang video ko kasi nakatapat ako sa ano, dahan-dahan mo, nakatapat ako sa araw.
Other issues around at the moment, New Zealand Rugby's special general meeting a week or so ago saw the provincial unions vote for proposal 2 as the way forward for New Zealand Rugby's governance.
Kitang-kita yung ano, dumi sa salamin.
Change affects New Zealand Rugby's operations.
Pretty clear. I mean, I've been really consistent. It's not for us to need to be speaking about the governor's review of the vote last week. What we're really charged with at the moment is making sure we deliver the game. And I'm really encouraged with the number of things we're seeing. We've just spoken about the really positive signs we see in Super Rugby. We're also seeing a great start to the community game this year. The numbers year on year at this stage, when compared to the last year, up by about 6 or 7%. And that's on top of a big lift last year coming out of COVID games. So that's super encouraging. We've got a lot of exciting things to keep with our team in Black, Blackburn and All Blacks. Encouraged with the way the 7 teams are building into Paris here. Tough weekend, very fine margins in Madrid last week, but overall we think that trajectory of those teams are positive. So look, we've got a lot of stuff to focus on here. We're also taking time to just sort of refresh some of the
Mainit na kaya.
strategic work we're doing with a view to the next sort of 3 or 4 years.
Ganda ng daanan.
We're engaging again with our stakeholders now with the guys being passed. We feel it's too much better to bring the game together. We know there's been some stakeholders around guys, but now we sit down and start chance to steer forward and lead and really get people excited about the possibilities of the game. There's an opportunity to do that.
Ito guys, so farm
So the provincial union video
farm ng mga tupa.
together, which we're really excited about.
Diba ang ganda? Ganda ng kabundukan.
Are you positive and optimistic that the game will come back together? Because it has been a bit divisive.
Yeah, I mean, there's obviously fairly a lot of views and emotions flying around the last few weeks.
Dati nakikita ko lang to sa mga ano, mga picture, yung mga nasa postcard, yung ganito. Ngayon nakikita ko na ng personalan. Nakakaloka dito guys. Malamig ang ano, ang simoy. araw, napakainit. Ang sakit ng balat. Ayun guys, so yung mga tupa, oh. Ayun. Pinapastol ng may-ari. Hindi na nakita. Sayang. Yun na nga guys. Balik tayo sa init. Yung sinag ng araw, napakasakit sa balat. Pero malamig ang panahon.
Speaking on the international stage, we heard recently of interest from Qatar in hosting rugby's New Nations Championship.
Sa kabila tayo. Ay, madilim.
Can you give us any update there?
Madilim talaga. Dahil sa araw. Pagka-green ng dyan. Ng mga kahoy. Kung sa nature ang pag-uusapan talaga, super check ang New Zealand. Ang ganda ng kabundukan dito. Napakalinis. Tsaka yung kahoy nila, grabe. Pantay-pantay talaga ang taas. Tapos ang tataas ng mga bundok. Pakita ko guys itong daan. Nasa 110 na pala takbo mo, mahal. Mabilis na yan. Pero pakiramdam ko mabagal tong sasakyan sa ganyan, ano? Hindi kagaya nung si Murano na ang bilis ng takbo niya talaga. Pakita ko sa inyo ang matataas na bundok. Super taas talaga. Dito ba yung baba? Gamitin lang pala niya na minimum ano niya. Ito ang expressway ng papuntang Paraparaumu. Papunta na rin to ba ng ng Auckland? Itong daanan pa lang to, papunta na rin ng Auckland. Itong highway. Pasensya na guys, yung kalahati ng aking madumi. Ay, kita dito yung yung dagat na bayan ng Paraparaumu. Yan na yun. Ay, oh. First time lang ba tayong dumaan dito? Kaya pala bagong sa akin, bagong paningin guys eh. Ayan kita na yung dagat na pupuntahan namin. Pababa na kasi kami ng bundok na dinaanan eh. Yan, akala nyo guys, yan, semento, concrete, hindi po, yan, aspalto lang yan. Ibig sabihin shortcut to. Mas malapit. Ang galing ano, inano yung bundok. Talagang ginawan ng ano paraan para mag-shortcut. Motorway end. Ito na ang motorway end. Queen Elizabeth Park na nga eh. Guys, malapit na kami sa Param. Oh, may nasiraan.
I agree with that last bit, I must say. The narrative around the game has at times been a very negative one this year from certain sectors of the population. And yes, the game has issues to address, of course it does, but so what's a sport? The quality of Super Rugby, if we just look at Super Rugby,
Raumati.
I think it's been very good. And the viewer numbers are no surprise to me. The fact that
bakit nagaganon? Hindi pantay yung ano? Kalsada.
16% increase year on year in terms of viewer numbers of Super Rugby.
Yun lang kaanuan sa ano, sa asfalto. Kasi pag lumubog yung lupa, lulubog din ano. Lulubog din ang asfaltong ano, kalsada. Pag bumaba ang lupa, kaya nagkakaroon ng parang humps.
Especially families. The players really like it. Almost every player you've talked about playing games at 2:30 or 4:30 in the afternoon. Big fans of it.
Utaki yan.
Broadcaster, they like, of course, the evening kickoffs, more eyeballs for them. And I must say, as a team keeper, I kind of
We are now in Paraparaumo.
I'd much rather watch rugby on TV at 7:05 than 4:30, wouldn't you?
Raumati Beach, Paraparaumo.
Television, 4:30. There's still quite a bit of the day to go. You're not quite done with all the things that you want to get done. There's other things to, you know, to grab your attention. 7:05's great. Club players here in
Saan tayo
Wellington, for
papunta?
example, have been quite vocal this week on the 4:30
Raumati
kickoff,
Beach.
which will preclude a bunch of them from getting along. What about Sunday games? Is that the answer? Again, great for people getting along, not so much for people watching on television. 2:30 on a Sunday is a dead zone for TV viewership. I mean, really, who's
Ito na
watching
nga,
TV
guys.
at 2:30 on a Sunday afternoon?
Another motorway.
The answer, it's balance, isn't it? The answer
Kalsada.
is balance. A mix of what works for broadcasters who provide massive revenue to the game.
Papunta
and
saan
what
yun?
works for us as fans to get
Utaki.
along.
Ay, itong dinaanan natin.
They have to coexist, don't they? What is the best balance for you?
Kala ko ba pupunta tayo ng Utaki? Tayo ay magtitingin ng mga ano.
80-10-80. Afghanistan is still yet to lose a wicket in this opening T20 game.
Mahabang road trip to, guys.
The T20 Cricket World Cup. They are 97 without loss, coming towards the end of the 13th over. So as I say, they're not absolutely setting the world on fire in terms of their run rate. Very solid and setting themselves up, I think, anyway, for a bit of a
Daan to papunta dun sa ano, pinag-pipishingan natin, ay pinag-kakrabing.
So, end of the 13th over now. Afghanistan 97 without loss against New Zealand in game 1 of the T20 World Cup.
Ito yung Capiti Chocolate.
80-10-80,
Kinakain ko kahapon.
12-29, back
Ayan.
with your calls after.
Capital Chocolate Shop. Pagawaan. Eto na guys, stop ko muna tong road trip ko dito. Gagawan ko ng part 2 guys. Kasi mahaba na. See you in next. Guys, bye!